In the turbulent year of 1862, as the American Civil War raged on, President Abraham Lincoln sat in the Oval Office, wrestling with a decision that would shake the very foundations of a divided nation. The conflict, born from deep-seated differences over states' rights, slavery, and the federal government's role in American life, had claimed countless lives and brought the Union to its knees. Abolitionists, both within and outside the government, pressed Lincoln to act, to strike a blow against the institution of slavery and restore the moral balance that had been so gravely disrupted. Yet, the president, a man of pragmatism, was hesitant. He understood that the war was not being fought to free the slaves, but to preserve the Union. However, as the days passed, Lincoln grappled with the reality of the situation. He saw the war not only as a struggle for the Union, but also as a struggle for the soul of America. He pondered the words of the Declaration of Independence, which declared all men equal, and questioned how a nation that espoused such ideals could continue to condone the oppression of its own citizens. Finally, on September 22, Lincoln shared his decision with his cabinet. He would issue an Emancipation Proclamation, declaring that all slaves in Confederate-held territory were to be set free. The abolition of slavery would not be immediate, nor would it be complete, but it was a crucial step towards a future where freedom would ring for all. The Emancipation Proclamation, issued on January 1, 1863, was a turning point in the Civil War. It not only transformed the war's objectives but also galvanized the anti-slavery movement and fueled the fire of the Union's cause. Lincoln's decision was a testament to his commitment to the principles of equality and freedom, a commitment that would ultimately lead to the end of the Civil War and the abolition of slavery throughout the United States. Yet, the proclamation was not without its critics. Some argued that it was a political move, designed to rally the northern states behind the war effort. Others questioned its legality, as the president did not have the constitutional authority to abolish slavery. Despite these criticisms, the Emancipation Proclamation stands as a powerful symbol of Lincoln's leadership and the indomitable spirit of a nation striving for a more just and equal society. In the end, the Emancipation Proclamation was more than just a military strategy or a political maneuver. It was a declaration of principles, a declaration that all men are created equal, and a declaration that the United States would strive, however imperfectly, to live up to that ideal. And so, as we reflect on this pivotal moment in American history, let us remember the courage and conviction of a man who dared to dream of a nation where liberty and justice would reign for all.